Today's news, 24 July 2020. Good morning, you're listening to Khushbu, your news anchor from La Farah News. Here we bring you all the updated news from around the world. India fully committed to observing and respecting line of actual control, and we will not accept any attempt to change status quo. Our relations with Bangladesh are time tested and historic. MEA and Pakistan PM raising issue of Jammu and Kashmir in telephonic conversation with Bangladesh PM yesterday. We appreciate their consistent stand that Jammu and Kashmir and all its development are India's internal matters. It's a stand they have always taken, he said. Pakistan has blocked all avenues for effective remedy available to India. It stands in violation ICJ judgment and its own ordinance. India reserves its position including right to avail of further remedies. MEA and Pakistan government moving Islamabad HC to appoint lawyer for Kulbhushan Jaidev. Pakistan blocked all avenues for remedy in Kulbhushan Jaidev case. The matter is under investigation by NIA. The UAE authorities are extending all necessary cooperation to us in the investigation, says Anurag Srivastava, official spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs on Kerala gold smuggling case. Britain's chief negotiator says unfortunately clear no preliminary Brexit deal by end of July. Jammu and Kashmir. Today at about 5:15 pm, Pakistan violated ceasefire by small arms firing and shelling with mortars along Al-Hussein Balakota sector, Poonch district. Another historic milestone in India-Bangladesh connectivity and economic partnership, as the first ever container cargo from Kolkata via Chattogram port reaches Agartala. All India Trinamool Congress issues list of newly appointed 21-member state coordination committee with 7-member steering committee. Post-Brexit trade agreement at this point unlikely, EU chief negotiator Barnier said. Meghalaya CM Konark K. Sangma says state government will invest Rs 75 crore to strengthen infrastructure of 186 public health centers. Muradabad, a clash erupted between two groups under limits of Mughalpura police station. Earlier today, reports ANI. Circle officer Rajesh Kumar says clash took place between two groups of same community. No injuries have been reported. Accused are absconding. Appropriate actions will be taken. Crew members of Oil, ONGS, Alert and other contractors are at site and the final preparation for placing capping stack is underway. All India Limited issues statement on blowout in their gas well at Bagjan, Tinsukia. NGT pull-ups Haryana government for granting extension of time to stone crushers despite not meeting criteria of maintaining specified distance from educational institution, reports ATI. Former IT Secretary M. Sivasankar is being interrogated by the NIA in the capital. The interrogation in connection with the gold smuggling case is going at the police club in Parakuda in the capital. I, Khushbu, will come with new updated news tomorrow.